Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Postal, and today at the grill we're smoking up some delicious turkey legs using the pit barrel cooker. And just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. So to get started with this recipe, you're first of all going to need 2 turkey legs, some oil, as well as your favorite barbecue rub. And so to begin, we're just going to prep this turkey leg by applying some oil to the outside. We're going to flip them over and do the same thing on the underside. These legs are fairly big. They come off of a 15-pound turkey. Next, we're gonna grab our barbecue rub. This rub I'm using here is my homemade Postal barbecue rub. It goes really good on chicken and ribs. It's got a nice sweet, spicy, and a slightly savory flavor that will complement this turkey leg really well. Today I'm gonna be cooking these turkey legs in the pit barrel cooker, and so I'm gonna get that set up for cooking around 275 to 300 degrees. So I have the pit barrel all loaded up with charcoal, and now I'm gonna place 3 blocks of maple wood just over the coals, and use whatever wood you prefer. Next, I'm gonna put the pit barrel back together by using the grill grate that comes with it. And then we're gonna place our turkey legs onto the grill. And 2. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna probe each of these legs. We're just gonna place it into the thickest part of the legs, just so we know what the temperatures are doing as they're cooking. The last thing we need to do, as always, is place our rods back into the barrel, then close the lid and begin cooking. All right, so our turkey legs have been smoking in the pit barrel cooker for about an hour now. And so I'm gonna open up the lid and I wanna show you what they look like. You can see that we're starting to get a nice red color with that barbecue rub that we put on. These are about halfway done now, and so we're gonna close the lid and continue cooking until they reach an internal temperature of 175 degrees or above. Our turkey legs are just coming up to temperature about 170, so they still need a little bit of time to go. What I'm gonna do is open up the barrel, and we're gonna put a little bit of sauce onto these turkey thighs. Also gonna pull our probes because we know that they only need a few more minutes. We're also gonna flip them over just to get a little bit of heat onto that skin. Let's put a bit of sauce on this side as well. All right, with our turkey leg sauce, we're gonna close the lid with the rebar removed, as well as we're gonna crack the lid just slightly, and this is just gonna help bring the temperatures up in the pit barrel to get a nice bite-through skin that we're looking for. And so I'm only gonna leave these on for about 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce sets, and then we're gonna pull them off and get them ready for the taste test. Our smoked turkey legs are done, and they turned out incredible. The pit barrel did a great job. They smell great, they look great. There's only one thing left to do, and my favorite part, it's the taste test. Here we go. All right, guys, as I expected, these turkey legs are amazing. They're rich. They're full of flavor from that rub and that barbecue sauce that we put on. And then let's set up. It's every bite so far has just been perfect. The skin is bite through. It's not rubbery at all. And guys, if you can get these in the store, make sure to pick them up and try them out. So that's how you make those incredibly flavorful turkey legs using the pit barrel cooker. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment letting us know how your turkey legs turned out. And other than that, we'll see you next time.